Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Washington Boulevard and we're coming up to the intersection with Malines Road. Now this is where the government plans to build a double overpass, just like the one that's at the intersection of Hagley Park Road and Spanish Town Road. Massive overpass. They plan to do the same thing out here to help with the flow of traffic, to ease the congestion. Now, this is one of many mega projects that the government has in the works to help alleviate traffic in the town. And it's being done under the Spark program. So just like the other overpass, you'll have the ground level, just like what we have here, but then you're going to have a lower overpass. I'm not sure which one will be the lower one, whether let's just assume it's Hagley Park Road, sorry, Washington Boulevard, which is the one we're on now. And then the top bypass will be Malines Road. I'm not sure which will be which, but definitely either one, definitely a double overpass is going to be built out here. And as we said earlier, it's part of the Spark program. And the Spark program has originally it was 45 billion, but with all these additional projects, and this project is estimated to cost $7 billion. With these additional projects, I'm sure the funding for the Spark program will increase. So this is definitely a move in the right direction. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. So we're going to give you more information on what the government has planned for out here. The proposed overpass at the intersection of Malines Road and Washington Boulevard is one of the major traffic improvement concepts being considered as part of the government's long-term modernization of Kingston's road network. The goal is to eliminate one of the busiest bottlenecks in the corporate area by separating through traffic from local traffic. The Washington Boulevard-Malines Road intersection is among Kingston's busiest junctions, carrying thousands of vehicles every day. It connects traffic from downtown Kingston, Halfway Tree, Red Hills Road, Dehaney Park, Spanish Town, and Portmore via Washington Boulevard. Heavy traffic volumes often lead to long delays, especially during the morning and evening rush hours. Although final engineering designs have not yet been realized publicly, the project is expected to feature a grade separating overpass allowing through traffic to bypass the intersection, improved traffic signal operations for local traffic, better pedestrian crossings and sidewalks, upgraded drainage to reduce flooding, and road widening where required. The objective is to allow vehicles traveling along Washington Boulevard or Malines Road to move continuously without stopping at traffic lights, depending on the final destination. Alright, so that's the end of the update. Now, the busiest road in Jamaica is is Mandela Highway. And there are two roads when you're leaving Kingston to go onto Mandela Highway. There are two roads that take you onto Mandela. One, Washington Boulevard. The other, Spanish Town Road. So this road, Washington Boulevard, is one of the busiest roads in Jamaica. And so by improving the flow of traffic on this road, you will improve the flow of traffic throughout the city. Alright guys, we will keep you guys updated on this project. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.